Would your customers' defenses catch a phishing attack if it landed in their inbox today?
If your customer systems go down today, is their data still protected?
Can your customer's recovery plan deliver when they need it?
In an AI-driven world, data is your most valuable asset and your biggest target. Building true resiliency isn't about a single product. It's about a strategy. AI is reshaping the way data is created, stored, and attacked, raising new challenges for partners tasked with protecting customers' data and keeping it available to them. Our Digger Data team breaks down the 3 essential pillars every business needs to consider for intelligent data protection.
Firstly, resiliency starts well before an attack with proactive prevention. Think about AI-driven threat intelligence, robust endpoint protection, and advanced email filtering as your first layer of defense. Put these in place to stop phishing attempts before they hit an inbox, reducing risk and protecting your customers from costly breaches. In Australia, phishing remains one of the most common and damaging cyber threats.
But what if an attack gets through? That's where containment comes in. That means implementing immutable backups, ransomware protection policies, and clean data isolation to stop the spread and protect business continuity. With these measures in place, businesses can recover quickly and keep operations running, even when systems are compromised.
Even with containment, recovery is the ultimate test. That means orchestrated recovery, near-zero RTO and RPO, and compliance-ready reporting to prove readiness and maintain trust. With these measures in place, businesses can recover quickly, minimize disruption, and demonstrate compliance when it matters most.
We'll help you build real resiliency and deliver outcomes that matter. Discover why experience is the difference.